Mornings always seem to come too quickly, or other things. Getting out of bed in a good mood can be a challenge. But here are 7 ways you can wake up in a much better mood.
Oh, yeah. So, are you one of those people who, like, get miserable when you have to get up in the morning?
No, I know.
No?
I don't.
You just fly out of the bed, good?
I jump up and I'm ready to go.
Yeah, I'm not a morning person, so... Actually, I'm an every-time person because I don't have a choice anymore. When you got kids, you got to be an every-time person. So the first thing they say is plan a killer breakfast. You have time to plan a killer breakfast?
If my mom's home, then yeah. My mom's home, my aunt's home, then I'm definitely gonna get a good breakfast.
Yeah. So plan a killer breakfast. Would you rather get up in the morning knowing that you're just gonna have a cup of coffee around to the door, or would you get up wanting to know that you have that callaloo and ackee and pear and breadfruit and fried dumpling right
I would
there?
get up early and prepare that.
Dude,
or try.
I would fly out of the bed if I know that was waiting on me.
I don't, because I don't drink coffee, so I would get up out of the bed and prepare this if I had the chance.
You hear that, ladies? He would get up and cook you breakfast. He's just saying.
Well, yeah.
That's what he said. That's what he
I never
said.
said all of that, you know, but
all right, the next one.
thing is sleep on your back.
Can you sleep on your back? Like for the entire night, you can sleep on your back?
Well, it depends.
Oh my gosh, don't be nasty. I'm asking you.
It depends.
If when you lie down at night, you're not going to turn and twist and whatnot.
It depends. If
okay.
I'm
I'm just gonna keep to the stuff that we're actually doing this morning. A really good morning starts with a good night's sleep. Unfortunately, there are some things you can ensure your 8 hours are as restful as possible. They say that sleeping on your back, a supine position, is best for your spine and your neck. So you're more comfortable, you sleep better. Also, for all the ladies and gentlemen who care, sleeping on your back is better for wrinkles. So when you lean your face back, you know.
Anyway, I sleep, I feel like I sleep good. If I sleep on my back, my side, my belly, still feel like I sleep good.
You're not one of the people who have that problem. Ooh! Okay, can I do the next one?
Yes, you can.
The next one, which I can attest to, pick your outfit. Pick your outfit before you go to your bed. So, you know, you're like, ooh, I'm gonna wear this, and I'm gonna wear that, I'm gonna pick up my favorite shoes, I'm gonna pick up this, and anytime I wear those brown boots that I have, yeah, I feel nice. I just pick it up and pick it up and pick it up, put it on and hang it up. So, you know, when you go to bed, you wake up, you wake up to seat, you're like,
but you know, that pick your outfit thing don't work for me, you know, because I just get up and just draw on something.
What is wrong with you? You're just,
pants. You saw me wear come this morning? Just
yes, I saw.
Draw on something.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. You do the next one.
This one is turn your phone off earlier. This is something my mother has preached to me for years.
Can I ask you an honest question?
Yes.
Do you turn your phone off?
No, I don't. No, I can't.
How many of you out there?
No, I can't.
So do you guys turn your phone off? I would love to know if people turn their phones off at night. I will put it on vibrate unless I know that I'm looking forward to, well, not looking forward to, but unless I know there might be an emergency.
Yeah.
But I don't turn my phone off.
Yeah, it's easier said than done though. But pouring off all electronics at least an hour before falling asleep will make your night way more restful and the next morning much happier.
I do the next one. Tidy up your room at night. I do that a lot because I hate waking up to a mess. Like every now and then my room will get away from me. I'm not even joking. But I do tidy up the room at night because
my room can't look like that.
No. What do you mean your room can't look like that?
No.
Your room don't look like that? Like on a regular basis?
Not
it
a
don't
regular
look like
basis.
me?
It only depends. It depends on if, yeah. It's dependent.
It's dependent on if you have somebody cleaning up after you.
No, you can't put it that way.
All right, so he'll cook, ladies, but he ain't gonna clean. We're making all of these jottings, you know, for the women who want to, so that they know what they're up for.
There's another one that we missed. Wake up at the same time.
Oh, I didn't see that one.
Yes, even on weekends.
No, sir.
Getting into a routine of waking up at the same time every day stabilizes your clock, your internal clock, which in turn improves the quality of sleep and how productive you are during the waking hours.
You see, if you're a person who kind of have a funky routine like me or a lot of people who are in entertainment or stuff like that, it's hard for you to do that because you don't know when you're going to go sleep.
And then so you have kids.
Yeah.
And you have kids, you have to wake up in the middle of the night.
Yeah, I mean, that's hard.
It's difficult.
That's a very hard one.
All right.
Next one.
Last one.
Don't get up immediately. I think that one is perfectly true. When you wake up in the morning, allow yourself some time, allow your body some time to acclimate.
Yeah.
Just get acclimatized to what's happening around you, you know.
And when I wake up, sometimes I just say a prayer, lay in bed, say a prayer.
Thank you, God, for the night.
And just reflect on what happened last night.
Breathing little oxygen. And me not even talk about you right now. But yeah, try that.
Reflect on the night before.
Try that.
Or the day before. And look forward to your day ahead.
that actually helps to settle your mind and, you know, get you ready for what's coming up. And yeah, so.
It helps.
Try those things. If it works for you, let us know. We really want to know, you know, guys. When we ask for the feedback, we're not blowing smoke up. You know, we really want to know. All right.
Which one of these worked best for you?
All right. Yeah. After the break, we're going to get the lowdown on the JN Small Business Loans Barber and Beauty. Back